you wherein for entire HR function the line managers are accountable, right? So ये एक स्टेप हम आगे चले गए इन अ सेंस कि जो कुछ भी whatever the people issues are there, right, the first line managers are responsible and should be capable of handling those people issues, right? And HR acts as an internal consultant to those line managers and they advise them on people and process issues, right? Till now what has happened that here when organizations were in the rapid growth, right, and when HR function was in a proactive mode, right, HR people started gaining power, right? So now when you are at the stage of internal controls and proactive, that is rapid growth, right? So when you have internal controls, to have control you should be given powers, correct? So to control anything you should be given powers, right? So जब वो HR के पास वो power आया तो क्या हुआ कि they started controlling beyond their jurisdictions. So HR must be the most powerful function in any organization. You must have heard from your managers. आज की तारीख में सुना होगा ये चीजें, right?
Yes. Yes.
Have you heard this thing that अपना तो HR department में we should be the most powerful people. No one should come. Once we decide, then it is final.
Yeah.
Right? Have you seen people making these kind of statements?
Yes.
Right? So that means that your current means देखो HR function evolve हो चुका है जहाँ तक उसको होना था, but your manager or your company is working at still at internal controls. That is, your company function is still evolving. It's still emerging, right? Got it? So now the thing is that you need to change your mindset that how you are going to evolve from emerging and rapid growth function to a business partner integration and consolidation model. Right? So that is the mindset that you will have to change. And for that, you will have to revamp your own HR understanding. So now just imagine when you become an internal consultant to your line managers, right? You will have to understand many things. Correct? When you have to add value, right? When you become integral part of for your company's success, and when you have long-term vision and strategy, then you need to play at entirely different level. Agree or not?
Agree.
Completely agree.
So this is how the evolution has begun. Now I am keeping this slide on screen for say maybe 30 seconds or 45 seconds, right? What you can do is that wherever you are working or you are planning to work, आप जिस डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रहे हो, जिस कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो, आप असेसमेंट कर लीजिए खुद का कि आप कौन से लेवल पे काम कर रहे हैं. Got it? So now when we talk about your development, right, you will be able to make out कि मेरे को कहाँ पे काम करना है, मेरे को कौन सी स्किल्स पे काम करना है मेरे लिए. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So shall we move further?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now, if you look into the nature of work किस तरह से change हुआ है, right? So वो जो था वो HR के evolution था. Now how the nature of work has evolved, right? So first we used to have welfare and employee care. It started with then basic safety, labor relation and union, then benefits administration, right? Then employee relation, You talk about then you started doing compliances. Yes, Sunil, you want to ask something? You raise your hand. Yeah. Okay. So then it got into personal administration where survey action planning was done, right? You start doing small surveys, right? आप surveys करके देखते हो कि employees का perception क्या है, उसके accordingly आप HR के functions design करते हो, right? So on one axis you have the kind of jobs you are doing, the kind of employee welfare, labor relation, and on x-axis we have the impact of HR, right? So if it is going, so personal administration, there was an increase in the impact of HR on business scenarios, right? So slowly and gradually, जैसे जैसे function evolve होता गया, उसका impact of HR on the organization and organization's performance भी increase होने लगा, right? Then you have, we got into HR functions of staffing, talent management, training and development, right? Compensation management. So all these functions, right? All these functions were basically more or less transactional work, right? So now, do you know what is transactional work or transactional jobs? Right? Transactional jobs are those jobs which are impacting your day-to-day operations. Right? तो ये सारी jobs या ये सारे functions ऐसे थे कि आप day-to-day basis में आपको impact कर रहे हैं, right? So there you can say maintenance function, you can say, right? So they were transactional work, right? And then came in 1980s, 1990s के बाद जब human resource आया, then you started talking about employee as an asset, right? So man, material, machine, money, ये सब थे. So man was the most important thing. Suddenly Brahma Gyan हुआ सबको, right? So you got into organizational design, you got into performance management, right? You got into HRIS, human resource systems, right? Then strategic HR planning, business HR partnership came into picture, right? The whole game changed to bringing out a cultural change in an organization, right? Which ultimately became a function of creating organizational effectiveness, right? See at the bottom of this screen, if you can see my mouse, that is the वो लोगों के पीछे थोड़ा hide हो गया. That is the reason I need to highlight it, right? It was more of a creating organizational effectiveness, right? And this was basically a transformational work, right? So earlier this function was basically a transactional work and these were the transformational work, right? Because they impacted the organizational effectiveness directly. The performance of the organization was impacted directly. Correct? So these are the strategic, so this transformational work can be termed as a strategic work and transactional works can be given as operational work, right? So you have operation and you have strategy, right? Now, if you can see, then there is an overlap in functions of compensation management, training and development, staffing function. इसको मैंने थोड़ा operation में रखा है, थोड़ा strategy में रखा है, right? थोड़ा transformation में रखा है. Why? Because these are the functions wherein which can be both operational and transactional, right? And both have both impact on organizational effectiveness, right? For example, if you say staffing, so if you are recruiting right person at the right time, now if you are using competency-based staffing systems or recruitment processes, then you are doing a transformational work, right? But once you decide and once you go into operation, then onboarding करवाना उसके form fill up करवाना, that becomes transactional work, right? Similarly, what kind of trainings you are going to give, or what if your trainings are competence-based training, then that identification of those trainings would be transformational work, right? But execution of those trainings would be transactional work, right? वो classroom ready करवाना, right? Chairs ठीक से लगी है कि नहीं, trainer पहुंचा कि नहीं, उसको लेने गाड़ी गई कि नहीं, right? सेशन का ब्रेक बराबर हुआ कि नहीं, कैंटीन में वो अलग से खाना टेबल्स लगाए हुए हैं कि नहीं, वो ट्रेनर्स को खाने के लिए और स्टूडेंट्स को, पार्टिसिपेंट्स को खाने के लिए, राइट? नाउ दीज आर ऑल ट्रांजैक्शनल वर्क, But transformational job is where what kind of trainings you need to impart, what is your strategy demanding, based on the demand of business strategy, what kind of competent people we need to have. So once you do the assessment, you come to know the gaps. So based on those gaps, what kind of trainings I should arrange. So that becomes a transformational work. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Any queries till now?
No, sir.
No.
Right. So this becomes your transformational jobs. Correct? Right. So this brings us to end of first session. First session in a sense. First PPT. Just give me some time. I will just change over. Right. इसमें किसी को कुछ पूछना है क्या?